Right now I want to show you the map setup feature of the Garmin Rino 600 series. So here's the map. Go in here. You can see I have street level data because I have the 655T, which stands for topo. So this has street level as well on the topo. I can zoom in and zoom out, and you can see the layout of this map is my icon is pointing, the arrow is pointing straight up on the screen, which is track up. So if I turn, the map will turn, but my icon will always point up. Now I can change that. So let's go down here to setup and then to maps. Let's change the orientation. I can change it to north up, so the map is always showing north as the top of the screen, and my icon will point and change as I move. Then automotive mode, which actually takes it from a 2D screen to a 3D, which is looking off to the horizon, and now I can see the street. So that's how to change the orientation. Let's look at a few other the map features. Let's change it back to track up how I like it. You've got auto zoom, you can turn that on or off. And data fields, I can change the number of data fields. Currently it was set to 0, you can see. So let's add a data field and see what happens. Let's put 4. Let's go back to the map. What does that mean? There we go. You can see the 4 data fields I have at the top of the map now. I can actually change these and select one and flick through all these data fields and change whatever I want to show on the map. So if I'm using a topographic map, I can pick any one of these and see that information straight away in one of those data fields. And as you saw when we were setting this up, we had a choice. I could do 4, or we can go back, and if I want I can change that to 2. So let's go back to the map and take a look. There we go, I have my 2. Again, just click on them and change them, either one. And then let's go back to setup, map, data fields, and I can pick a dashboard. So click that. Now, do I want to put the compass at the top of my map? Yes. Let's go back now and see what happens. So now you have the compass overlaying on top of the map, so I can see that at all times. So that's another feature you can change on the map. And then you can just turn that off if you'd rather. Back to 0 and there won't be any there. Advanced setup, zoom levels, so I can change all these. Street labels, land cover, and I should show the difference in scales where you can go to. So you can just change all these settings relative to your map and how you want it to function with those zoom levels. Text size, you can change these as well. Street labels and land cover. And then detail. I can show most detail, more, normal, less, or least. And then shaded relief. I can show if available, do not show, or auto, which is how it's set. So the last thing here, map information, I can change what type of map we show on the screen, and I can turn them on and off, enable and disable, and I can actually find some information out about it as well. So there we go, that's the map setup and some of the functions you can change on your map page on the Garmin Rino 600 series.